Hello everybody, this is Antonio and I'm here making another review. This review I am going to talk about some RAM that I actually purchased for my all-in-one computer. The computer that I have, it is the HP 22-C as in Charlie 0073W. So my version is the white one. They make a black one also, which is without the W, the model number. That particular computer, it comes so you can actually upgrade it to 16. So it's upgradable to 16. It has two slots for the for two sticks, and it has 4 gigabytes installed from manufacturer. Now the particular RAM that I have, let me give you the specs that I have them pulled up on my computer here. So what I got was 2 RAM sticks from Samsung. Personally, I've had pretty good success with Samsung products in general. I have tried other brands like SanDisk, for example, and they work okay, but I haven't had so much luck with the for the phones, like the memory, the SD cards. I haven't had pretty good success with the SD cards. After a while, they get corrupted. Then, has happened at least twice already in the 2 that I have owned. I have one installed in my phone, which is a Samsung SD. So far, I haven't had a single problem. It works well, no corrupted files or anything. But going back to the Samsung RAM, the particular information on this, if you guys want to get it, I will definitely put a in the description box. I will put a link for this memory or RAM, so you can also purchase it, and also subscribe to my channel for more content that I'm planning on putting up in the future, like uploading in the future. But right now, the specs on this RAM is the M as in Mary 471A1K 43BB1-CRC, and it's a Samsung memory. It is a DDR4 PC4-2400. That's the specs also for my computer. It's a 2400 DDR4. That's the type of RAM that uses. Now that's the information on the particular RAM that I got. They're brand new RAM. They're considered open box. I purchased them on eBay. Pretty good price. Now let's go ahead and open this package up, so that way we can I can show you. Make sure I don't mess up here the RAM. The package, they're pretty good. There we go. So that's better. Okay, sorry about all that noise, but I really wanted to do an unboxing here, so that's pretty much what the okay, let me get that paperwork out of there. Okay, so this is basically what they look like. They bought these, they came actually from Miami, Florida, and that's information on it. So let me just show you the sticker here, so that way you can see that it is a Samsung product. You don't just want to rip it open, so let's go ahead and open this up. So I got 2, like I said, and I know you're not supposed to touch the gold part here, but let me go ahead and do a close-up. So that's basically what I'm getting. It's a Samsung. That's the information on it. Now, like I said, this gigabyte or this RAM is 8 gigabytes. I purchased 2 so I can go ahead and put it on my computer, and hopefully performs better. I mean, it should, but we'll find out soon. I'm planning on also making a video on installing it, so that way I can upload it, show you guys how to do it. I've seen a lot of people, a lot of comments and videos where people are having a hard time opening up the computers because they're all in one, they're difficult to open. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and record it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, install it, close it back up, so that way it will help you guys. So stay tuned for the next video. And again, this is just an unboxing on the RAM. It's a I'm gonna put it on the description box. And again, 2 sticks, 8 GB each, so that we max out the memory or the capability on my computer of 16. And it's a Samsung product. Again, I've had pretty good success with Samsung products, so I'm excited to see how this one performs. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys. I will post a video. Next video, make sure to follow me so that way you can see when I post it, subscribe, and thank you for watching.